So guys, Nick Z again. I just wanted to show you on this what I've been doing here with the Kacher circuit. My Mazzilli is still not functioning. It's this array in here. So I've changed just about every part, but it seems I need new transistors and some new Zeners too. So what I wanted to show you this time was about the Kacher and what it does. I've connected this feedback from the yoke's secondary out through and connected it back to this flyback and then a capacitor. And then back from the capacitor back to the input. I've just got this on here temporary for now. The actual connection goes to the induction circuit. But I wanted to show you what the Kacher can do because I've been able to actually make a 100-watt bulb, which of these three bulbs here, this is 25, 25, and this is 100. And no, I can't make the 100-watt bulb light very strongly, but I can make it light. So I'm going to turn on the. Well, first of all, I want to explain that right now, with these three bulbs tight, I have a load of 150 watts, and with that load you can see the neon come on over here and it's lighting pretty bright, which indicates a good output. This is the fluorescent. You can see it's also very bright. It actually reaches about, I don't know, over a foot away before it goes out. So this little indicator here also can light up a ways away from where it's at. But the main thing I wanted to show you is the ability of this Kacher. This is with a load already on there, and well, first I'd like you to see the spark. Let me see if I can sit down here 1 second. And so 1 second here, it's hard to see what I'm doing, but I'm going to try to show you the spark here. Okay, that's the streamer there. It can reach up to a centimeter, and alright, so that's with 150 watt load of bulbs, and no, it's not lighting it, but if I turn these guys off, you can see that this one, the 100-watt bulb, comes on. And the funny thing is that the voltage on the scope actually, if I put the other ones on, goes up, even though the bulb itself dims. The addition of these two bulbs actually raises the voltage. So anyway, here's the 100-watt bulb shining again. It's not anything to brag about, but I mean it is 100 watts and it is on, and I can actually turn him off and turn two of these guys on. This is 50 watts going, so 50 watts, and if I turn one of them off and just leave one, this is 25 watts. So 25 watts, and I can still light this 10 watt bulb off, even though there's a load on from the bulbs over there. I can still light this guy here to some degree. It's not as bright as it could be, but you know, but it's lit. And that's with the other one going. Now watch the effect of the grounding. Now this is when I put my feet on the ground, like right now, there is a slight, yeah, can't hardly see it, but there is a slight difference in the ground. This is with this little bulb on again. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. It was kind of surprising that I could actually light 250 watt bulbs. Actually they're 25, I'm sorry. And if I turn them off, I could actually light this 100 to some degree. So there it is. And with all the high voltage, you can see that my antenna is just getting fried up there, and I'm gonna have to change it probably. And this is my Kacher here, nothing special, but I've got it jam-packed with ferrite of all types. So without it, you can see the bulb is off. Now if I put it back, you can see the bulb go back on. Okay, and, you know, you find the best location for the ferrite for each particular bulb. If I turn the other ones on, that's 150 going there, but it doesn't want to light this bulb when that one's on. And I turn the other 25 watt on with, so there's 150 watt load there, and none of them are really shining, but the high voltage over here is still most intense when I have the higher load on there. If you can see it well. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that, and also for my own purposes, so that I know what I did or what I could do at one point or another. So this is with the Kacher adjustment turned all the way down, which, I don't know, doesn't seem to make that much difference in any case, in this particular case. So my next thing here is to connect the Mazzilli, of course. I'm going to get some parts for that, which I needed. I tried to get it going, but I couldn't do it. And then focus on this feedback. This is a bridge rectifier that I have on here. Let me turn this light on. This is a bridge rectifier that I have on here on top of the capacitor, and it's a flyback 1-to-1 basically, and going back. But I haven't gotten it working yet because there's still power coming in from the power supply into it, even though it shouldn't be, because these two diodes here are facing out, and there should be any power coming back in, but somehow it gets back in there. I'm going to have to put another diode on the positive side to keep that from happening. But Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching.